Okay guys, so tayo ngayon sa Kapalyang Subdivision!
Ito yung coach nila. Yung coach nila.
Okay guys, actually, may tune up yung mga bata natin, kids lang to. Kabilang subdivision lang naman. So, by the way guys, napakaraming bata ngayon. May taas yung kamay ng taga Isabela. Ayun o, ito magpipinsan to, Isabela.
Isabela? Ay,
Sabagay, Isabela to. Ito,
Las Piñas.
hindi, Pangasinan. Malasike. Sikaw, brother. Samar ka?
Sa Bugan.
Sino pa ikaw? Tagig. Layo. Ikaw, Pugi.
Bate.
Masbati. Grabe guys Ito.
Hong Kong Leagues.
Okay. Nakakatuwa lang kasi guys, sobrang dami ng kids natin. And bakasyon nila ngayon. Nandito ngayon sila sa Mavs kasi nag-enroll sila, nag-training sila. And sino pinakamatanda sa kids? 13?
Ayun. Kaso nag-iingipin ko na.
Ilang taon ka na, brother? 12. 12 years old, maaga lang nabulok.
Yan.
Ba-
Taps, nakita mo na ba yung magic ko?
Oh, magic.
Oh.
Sama lang kong, ayun na!
Balik mo ba?
Balik mo.
Sama lang kong.
Okay guys, well tune up lang naman to. Mga kalaban natin si Jem. Asa si Jem? Sino mga kalaban natin?
Mga teammate ko sa varsity.
Yan, actually si Jem, varsity siya sa school and yung mga kalaban nila ngayon sa tune up is yung mga ka-teammate niya. And
And ko, isang kakampi ko.
ano, varsity.
Okay, maglalakad.
Dito na yung tatay ng lahat.
Yana.
Yan.
Meron pa tayo nintay na isa.
Sino?
Yung Muse.
Yung Muse. Ay, yung Muse nga pala guys, sa mga hindi nakakalam, may Muse kami sa pamamahay na to, sa grupong to. Nasaan na? Si Joan!
Isa ka marasa natin! Wala!
Sir!
May rainbow.
Ay, sorry.
Pila kayo.
Yan na.
Burger.
Bijen! Bijen!
Buksan mo, Bijen.
Paunahin yung Muse!
Sira mo na ka, sir.
Makinig. Hey, makinig kayo. Laro lang tayo, ha? Huwag kayong kakabahan. Ha? Kung ano yung laro nyo din sa labas, yun lang yun, ha? Huwag kakabahan. Sige, picture.
Pwede ko picture.
Oh, pwede. Pwede.
So yun no, good evening. First of all, pakilala po muna kami. I'm referee Mark and this is Arvin. Referee Arvin. We're from A-Star. So, this is a tune-up game between Kids Mavs versus DES Kids. Okay? So, palakpakan muna tayo. Since na first time yung maglalaro, andyan yung excitement. And then since na andyan yung excitement, we expect the physicality. But not to the extent na magkakasakitan po tayong lahat, okay? Kasi most of the liga, kayo rin naman mga maglalaro. Okay? So, yun lamang naman, house rules muna tayo. First, tuck in tayo, proper tuck in. Okay, tuck in tayo, idol. And then yung mga accessories natin, matanggal na. Okay? So, Yun lang, sa amin yung officiating, sa inyo yung game. Focus lang kayo sa game. And then, kapag may lapses kami, ngayon pa lang humihingi na kami ng pasensya. But, during the huddle, pwede natin pag-usapan. Okay? Para makapag-adjust kayo. From time to time naman, magbibigay kami ng warning para makapag-adjust kayo ng mga tawagan namin. Okay? So, yun lamang. Enjoy the game. Okay? There's no perfect game, there's no perfect officiating. Ang pinaka-perfect sa amin is yung safety ninyong lahat. Matapos natin at maumpisahan natin ng maayos yung game, okay tayo doon. Okay? Bigyan natin yung audience ng excitement, bigyan natin yung audience ng magandang laro. So good luck both teams, shake hands po muna tayo. Good luck, good luck, good luck.
Good luck, idol.
Ingatan niyo po kami na sana wala pong masaktan sa amin at layo kami sa lahat ng mangyaring kaguluhan o sa loob ng court. And sana bigay niyo sa amin yung panalo and gabay ng bawat isa ng manglalaro. So, pray tayo. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Oh, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3!
Jesus! Yes!
110,000.
Asan na? Mamaya ka na.
Here comes the first quarter. Here comes the first quarter routine. Yes, Visions versus.
Tignan mo, inuli nila yung ano nila. Second 5 yun eh.
Here comes
Oh.
the first quarter. First ball comes. That's turnover. First ball from the Egyptians. Here come Losisa. Fires from Valval. Here come Clinton. Challenging the person number 22, Russell defense. Fires. From this number 7. From this number 11, goes in. Still. From Smith. Bautista. Pass to verse number 1. Pass to verse number 11. That's his turnover. Here comes Jenner.
Kurt! Diyan ka lang!
Taking a play. Single. 14 on the shot clock.
Kurt!
9
Tawag ko na screen!
on the shot clock. Gonzan. 5 to shoot.
Tira mo na 5!
3, 2. No shot clock violation. Turnover.
Reserve ako, reserve. Time out.
The third timeout. Ref. Reserve timeout. Cubs. Completion of your level. Serangan kebesaran. Bautista. Possible. Shot clock. Completion of 15. Pass. Napalas. Turnover.
Time out!
Pushing 11. Nice pass. Foul. Rules for jersey number 1. Push from. For jersey number 5.
Muntik lang maliit yun, ah.
Jersey number 5 is first personal foul. First team foul. First row, no good. Second row, basket count. Come on, Jen. Substitution number 21. Jen. Come on, Luis Lucero.
Time out ako.
Foul.
Time,
Jersey number 20 from Fan.
time out.
That is first personal foul. Second team foul. Time out, time out.
Bilis, bilis, bilis! Dito, dito, dito. Bilis, bilis. Mag-focus ka sa gitna. Huwag kang kakabahan. Laruin mo lang. Tignan mo yung pasa. Sayang yun. Hindi ka nakapokus. Libre ka dyan. Tapos, eto. Pwede mo ibaba yung bola. Pwede mo ibaba yung bola. Dito kayo maghanapan, ha? JM,
7 minutes and 46
Pagkatake
seconds
mo,
remaining time.
pwede mo ipasa. Pag naka-screen, pwede mo itira pag libre ka, ha? Huwag kayong kakabahan. Laro lang kayo, ha? Let's go, let's go. Go.
That's the bowling.
Five minutes yan, no?
First time is 7 minutes and 46 seconds. We're down jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Pass to the center. No pass.
Jen! Jen!
Jersey number 7. Pass here by Bautista. 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 Wow.
Jen!
Jersey number 3 is second personal foul. 13 foul. Jersey number 11. Good. Nakakuha ulit ni jersey 11. Bautista. 15. Shoot. Please. Wow. Houston. Number 8. Pass to jersey number 11. Rebound from jersey number 11. Here comes Jen.
Pesto, pesto, pesto!
15 to shoot.
Jersey number 21. Pass. Here is jersey number 4. Jersey number 4. Houston.
Ako lang.
Mission 4. Same ball, 6 minutes and 46 seconds. Mission 11, pass to Luceto. 2 points for Luis Luceto. From jersey number 30. Pass, jersey number 5. Without jersey number 1, here, pass to Luceto. Pass to Bautista. Block and single.
Eight, 4.
Jersey number 22, Bautista.
15 to shoot.
Cobra, too strong. By jersey number 13. Still, Bautista na jersey number 21. Wow. There's goal from jersey number.
Anong pangalan yung nakaputi?
Jersey number 22.
Ayun yung isa na. Oh.
First personal foul.
Travis! Travis!
6 minutes and 8 seconds.
Travis! Travis! Ha? Okay lang. Huwag sa depensa, tulong ka sa ilalim. Ha? Di ba sabi ko, pag depensa, ilalim ka pa rin, ha?
6 minutes and 8 seconds to main time.
Hoy, ready kayo. Kayo, 5 lang naman kayo. Ready kayo. Stretching ka, mag-stretching ka.
From center, Woodwood, now on Ace. Pass to jersey number 11. From jersey number 11, pass to Zip. 15 to Shield. Foul.
Kurt!
Jersey number 4.
Kurt!
Jersey number 4, first personal foul, second team
Pag ganun, mariba mo. Sige, atake mo lang, ha? Hindi ba training mo kanina yung layup? Ganun gawin mo. Huwag kang kakabahan, ha? Kurt! Pag nakuha mo dyan, ha?
5
Atakehin mo.
minutes and 56 seconds to main time.
Our score is 8-3 favor of PS Visions. Here comes jersey number 30. Here comes pass to jersey number 1.
Em! Atakehin mo na. Atakehin mo.
Here comes jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 23, Bautista. Here comes jersey number 5. That's a double.
O lang, Kurt. Ako lang. O, 5 minutes, 5 minutes.
Celebration.
Go, go.
Here comes our second.
Nice one, nice one. Nice one.
Here comes
Nice one.
second.
Ano, kaya pa? Kaya pa? Okay. Pag ganun, tira mo na, huwag mo na ipapasa. Lagi ka nalilibre. Good yun. Ha? Lakasan mo lang.
Here comes Ferrari, jersey number 23. Pass to Saclolo. No goal. Turnover. Here comes Hasnin. Kasama. Nice. No goal. Here comes the jersey number 22. Comes the pass to Ferrari. Here comes jersey number 27. Beltran. Saclolo. 15 to shoot. Beltran. Jersey number 22, Logan. Here comes Saclolo. And to shoot. Here comes 5 to shoot. Here's Saclolo. Good. Here comes the scene of Sasha. Here comes the Racing number.
Abher! Lalim!
Christina Savage. First personal foul, running for penalty. Here comes the pass. No good. Jersey number 2. Steal again by jersey number 6. And the steal is Sasha Racina. From the steal and the Sasha. Here comes Raleigh, pass to Saclolo. Saclolo fires from Johnson. No good. Here comes jersey number. Foul by jersey number. Here comes jersey number. Foul by jersey number. Jersey number 23. Jersey number 23.
Hindi na nata ni Manny Pacquiao. Yung Nyok Velasquez.
First personal foul.
Tanggal matakil.
Sino?
from the senior special. Ladies and gentlemen, teacher, Bantay Sakudo. Bantay Sakudo. Serve.
Sino? Teresa pa lang. Bata pa.
Laki lang pala talaga.
Ha?
Laki lang talaga.
Hmm.
Kumukha nga sila sa kayan eh.
Itong jersey number 24. Lugo, itong jersey number 24. Fox Weaver. Fox jersey number 24. Itong senior special. Itong Salay. The senior special. Fox to Sakwelo. Sakwelo. We have champion Susan from Bantay Sakwelo. From the senior special. The senior special is that's good. The senior special is Kita. Hawali. That's true. The senior special is
Sino nagsabi?
Makibola.
from jersey.
Yan, babantay ng free throw.
Sakwelo foul.
Ay, bakit naman klase eh.
Foul 16.
Makibataya mo!
Pag ginang free throw. Ha? Pag ginang free throw.
The senior special. That gives foul.
Nadugo?
Penalty.
Saan yung kalmo?
Blue single game goes first to the ground penalty. That gives foul. And sure. Bantay Sakwelo. Blue single game goes first to the ground penalty. Sakwelo 2 points by Jason number 19.
Tignan mo ano yung score.
That's sure. Bantay Sakwelo. Sakwelo, that's sure. Sakwelo points by Jason number 26. Third down. Jason number 30.
Time out, wait.
Team sure.
Wala. Awali. Sige, pagampas.
52 seconds. The field shoot. 9 points. Turnovers. Time remains 30 seconds. The time remains 38 seconds. Behind the shoot. With round. 13. Turnovers. Time remains 38 seconds. Time remains 38 seconds. Shot clock is on 16 seconds. 20.6. Verse number 27 is pushing foul. 20 on the time remaining. Verse foul. Verse a 14 foul. 15 to shoot. Shot clock is on 10 seconds. Verse number 27 is pushing foul. 16. On the passing lane. First personal
4 points na yun, di ba? 4 points na siya.
15 That is the end of first quarter. 5, 7,
Dalawa si Justin, dalawa sa kanya.
3, 2, 1.
Hindi 11 na kami. Kasi nung 5 minutes naka-3 kami. Tapos nito 8.
Ilang taon na yun?
14.
Oo, 30 na ito. Sabi mo sa akin.
Hindi, ano namin yan eh. Ano yun? Scholar. Kaya yan, para maano.
Grabe, nakadalawang block ka na, pre.
Kaya nga. Yung heel, huwag ka masyadong ilalim dun para makita ka. Pag nandito yung bola, tatawid ka rito, ha? Pag nandito yung bola, tatawid ka rito. Pag nandito yung bola, tatawid ka dito. Okay. Ganun pa rin defense natin.
Second quarter.
Bola natin, bola.
Both teams contact on the wall.
Third fourth.
Bob's ball. And that was 10. Then we start the opening quarter and second quarter. Number 10, here. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 7. Pass, 3. Fire. No good. Second jersey number 13. Pass to Gretna. 15 on the shot clock. Here. That's the jump ball. He is for jump ball. Seventeen on the shot clock. Here. Second, 10. 15 on the shot clock. Second jersey number 13. 5 from jersey number 7. No good.
Dalawa hanapin mo is ano?
Jersey number
Malonzo. Malonzo.
21. Pass to 10.
Malonzo. Malonzo.
15 on the shot clock. Comes in. Shot foul by jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 is first personal foul. First team foul. 15 on the shot clock. Jersey number 10. Left set. 10 to shoot.
Tignan mo yung papasa mo kung naka-ready, M. Hindi naka-ready, papasa ka.
Jersey number 3. Silver jersey number 5. Racing up. Good. Ang gawang bola. That's number 7. Ang bola. Pass to jersey number 3. 5. Moving on again. Becomes 10. Here. Pass to jersey number 7. Nadulas, pass to jersey number 3. Second jersey number 13, Brown Diaz. Well, stepping.
Pag nandun na, ipasa mo na, M. Napapagod dyan yan.
Kiss sa kabila, tuwa sa kabila. Wala din sa ngayon, bench.
Dalawa kayo dito, dalawa kayo dito.
15 on the shot clock. Muga Mugu. Here. Participation number 5. 2 points from jersey number 5. Flying away 7 minutes and 20 seconds. From jersey number 13. Here. Jersey number 14 comes again. Wow. And goes to the whistle from jersey number.
Foul on jersey number 3. Push.
Jersey number 3 is pushing foul. Jersey number 3 is first personal foul. Second team foul. 2 rolls from Jen. First roll, basket stop. Our story is open.
Kaya, tatlo yan. Dapat makikita mo kung sino yung alam mo kung nasan sila. Kakausapin mo sila, pwesto kayo kung saan.
First, second roll, basket.
Nice one, nice one, nice one. Good job.
First roll, 13.
Yan, ganyan. Tatakbo mo ha. Good job, good job. Good job. Ano, kaya pa?
Time out lang, time out.
Ano?
Time out.
Huwag kang masyadong lubog doon ha, kasi hindi ka
7
nakikita ni
minutes
Jen.
and 10 seconds.
Pakita ka rito, ha? Pag napunta sa yung bola, pwede mo atakin, ha? 5 minutes na ba? 5 minutes na? Hindi pa daw, hindi pa. Hindi pa, nag-time out lang sila. Wala pa, wala pa. Wala pa, hindi pa 5 minutes.
Wala pa dun sa yes.
Uy, uy, uy!
Down to the 3 as well. Time remaining
Baba, baba, baba!
7 minutes and 10 seconds.
Hey!
From jersey number 7. Asel, pass to jersey number 15. Jersey number 13, 15 on the shot clock. Steal by Jen. Jen, naghahanap na ba kung saan? Lumitis kasi. Steal by jersey number 7. Comes jersey number 7. No good. Here comes jersey number 7. Foul. Foul jersey number 5. Jersey number 5 is
Huwag ka makikipagsabayan dyan. Ang sikip eh, nakikipagsabayan ka eh. Aatakin mo.
blocking foul
Huwag
from
mo
jersey
atakin.
number
Titignan mo
5.
muna
Two
yung kasama mo
rolls
kung
to
nasaan.
jersey
Saka
number
mo
7.
atakin. Para mag-drop pass.
First roll, no good. Second roll, no good ulit. Nakuha ni jersey number 13. DS ball, tumama daw sa paa. From jersey number 7. 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Jersey number 3 in and out. Pass to jersey number 7, 15 to shoot. Jersey number 7 fires from downtown. No good. Turnover. Time remaining is 6 minutes and 25 seconds.
Hey! Sa gitna ka! Trap sila! Trap sila! Trap sila! Dito ka! Pakita ka rito! Pakita ka rito!
Screen. Continue to shoot.
Tira mo! Nice one!
From downtown, mga palakas. Thank you. That's a foul from jersey number. Jersey number 5 is black foul. Jersey number 5 is first
Ed,
personal foul.
Pag nag-trap sila, nasa gitna si kuya ano mo ha. Ito to.
6 minutes and 8 seconds. Thank you.
Nice one!
Basket.
Basket count. Jersey number 7.
Jersey number 7 is second personal foul. Warning for forward, a penalty. Citra Basket from Jan. Becomes jersey number 7. 5 minutes and 57 seconds. 15 to shoot. Becomes jersey number 45. 10 to shoot. 5. Becomes jersey number 13. Steal. Pass to jersey number 31. Jersey number 13.
Nice one!
Jersey number 13. Time remaining is 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Become jersey number 7. Pull up. Jumper. So good. Jersey number 5. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. DS ball.
Sab!
Substitution. Both teams. Substitution.
Lima na, 5 na, 5.
Palit 5. Ganito
Palit 5.
akin. Our score is 18-12. Bigo. Mons Phenomenal.
Ice Card, di ba yan, wala kang mapasahan? Ibaba mo. Huwag mong intayin si JM kasi si JM natatrap, di ba? Ibaba mo. Marunong ka
Pasok po.
Pinapractice mo yun.
Pasok. King Shai lang po. King Shai. Happy. Sabi ng
Next one,
record.
di ba nakita mo kung ano sinasabi ko? Atakihin mo, 30 lang.
Becomes
Di ba?
Beltran.
Ganun.
Pass to jersey number 26. Sakloro. Pass to Beltran. 24. Jersey number 27. Beltran. 2 points. Becomes Justine Anastasio. 15 to shoot. That's a defensive foul with jersey number 6.
Rep! Flap!
Jersey number 6.
Hindi, kita. Wala.
His first personal foul.
May ako pushing din. May ako pushing.
Hindi, ako lang.
Here comes Beltran. Jersey number 27. Pass to jersey number 11. Cross pass by Saklolo. Pindra pass, steal. Nakawan ni Beltran. Rolling pass from Ace Giuseppe. No good. Here comes out the pass. Right to Malasnata. And then the turnover.
Ako lang. Nice.
4 minutes and 24 seconds. Here comes Beltran, call pass to Saklolo. Here comes Saklolo, fires from downtown. One point from John Kyle Saklolo.
Dito kayo.
Here comes Justine.
Dito kayo,
Justine.
Mag-technical kayo.
Wiggins. Nagkakasama. Pinakamasabay yung pass. Here comes John Kyle Saklolo. Out of pass to Beltran. Nakapalakas. Here comes jersey number 6. Pass to Justine. Justine Anastasio. What a pass. Ang paso na huli. John Kyle Saklolo. Jersey number 26.
Time out.
Time out from Phenomenal. Our score is
Uy, lapit dito. 13.
19-18 in favor of
Di mo kailangan ng
DS.
ganun, ha? Di mo kailangan yung RPM mo pa. Kailangan, wala mo na time fancy. Pwede mo i-drive, pwede mo ipasa. Ha? Wala mo ng fancy. Oh, go. Pwede yun, nice pass yun. Hindi naman masakit. Kaso lang, masyadong palobo. Masyadong malakas. Oh,
And back to the game sa hanggang mag-15
baka mag-drop sila. Alalayan mo si Justin. Sa gitna ka lang. Ayan, nakatrap sila. Yeah, alalayan mo lang. Uy, upo kayo, Em.
shoot. Pass to Jason McLeod and got turnover.
Eh, bigay mo muna sa kanya.
Our score is 19-18 in favor of DS. Here comes the screen. Pass, balik kay Beltran. Jersey number 27. 15 shoot. Jersey number 11. Pass. Over here comes Aklolo. Pass to Loseto. Here's Loseto. Jersey number 24. 2 points. Number time remains 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Jersey number 6. Messi. Well, Silva, no good. Ikaw is Loseto. Other pass to Beltran. Beltran. 2 points from Jersey number 27. Time remains 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Here comes the steam. Fire from downtown. No good. From Jersey number. Here comes Beltran. Beltran pass to Loseto. It's Loseto. 2 points.
May time out pa ako.
Aim to shoot.
May time out pa ako.
That's a 3 seconds.
Time out.
Time out.
So,
Our
makinig.
score is
Makinig kayo. Focus lang kayo.
25-18 favor.
Huwag kayo magpapadala sa kung anong nangyayari sa court.
Mission
Huwag kayo matataranta. Kung nakalamang man sila ng 2-3, okay lang yun. Mag-focus lang kayo. Ha? Go!
Wala na po ang timeout ang Mavs. Wala na ang timeout ang Mavs. And DS of 2
Mamaya pa.
timeouts.
Javier! Galaw-galaw ka.
And back to the working. 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Here comes Beltran. Pass to jersey number 22. Balik kay Beltran. Fires! Napalakas. Napakamat sa ulo. Here comes Justine. Justine. Pass. That's a traveling violation. Turnover.
Maki!
Van Beltran, versus number 27 at bababa ng bola. That's a fake. Jumper, foul, counter! Jersey number 24, Ace Loseto. Jersey number 24, 17 foul. Jersey number 24, second personal foul, second team foul, and 3 baskets full. Number 15.
Dito!
Nasunod cross. Number 1. Number 1. Single 14 on the shot clock.
Hanapin mo muna si Claro. Titira lang yan, ha?
14 on the shot clock. Time remaining is 1 minute and 18 seconds. 10 to shoot. Lars. Good. Now on jersey number 11. Saklala, sweep of good. No good. Become jersey number 6. Listen up. Now on 16. Single to 5 seconds. Jersey number 11. Good drop. 2 points. 15.
Clarence! Dito ka!
Seconds.
Tira ka!
Time
Tira!
5.
Ako lang.
Number 15. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Listen up. 2 points.
Go, go!
13 seconds. Time remaining. Shot by Florida. 15 to shoot. Pass to Saklolo. That's a property violation from John Prime Saklolo. 13 seconds to shot is up. 13 seconds. Time remaining.
10!
10,
Tira!
5,
Swan.
second quarter.
Kulang. Pag ganun, hindi mo na kailangan banggain yun. Nauna ka na eh. Travel talaga yun. Pagkabigay sa'yo, tira mo na, nasa ilalim ka na eh. Ako lang. Third. Justin! Ikaw muna, Kurt. Halika.
Okay na po.
Hindi, kayo. JM!
Bakit?
Ano pangalan mo? Ha?
Divien.
Libyen.
Bakit?
Mamaya na. Mamaya ka na. Kayong limam muna. Babad ka lang dyan sa gitna, nasasanay ka na, okay yan. Pag napunta sa'yo yung gitna, tapos kuha ka ng screen sa kanya. Pag napunta sa'yo sa gitna, yung ginagawa natin, iikot. Pag wala, pwede mo tira. Para maiba yung option natin kasi baka tauhin na kayo. Tira, atake, pwede ha. 10,
Kaya ko po. Papa, siya na yung uno, magdados na ako.
udos ka. Eto,
Kahit pwede siya uno, pag ako mo pa papatulong ko.
oo. Palitan kayo, usap kayo sa loob.
Eh, pag uno ako, open up siya talaga, papatulong ko yung malaki yung
Ito, 10. Dalawa sila, papasaka mo sa gilid. Huwag ka masyado dun ha. Dito ka para makita ka. Pull up na agad yun. Pull up na agad pag nalibre ka. Pag wala, kagaya yung ginawa mo kanina, atake. M, doon ka. Takbo ka na, huwag mo na intayin yung bola si JM. Hindi na. Basta kagaya yung ginawa niya kanina kay yan, ganun ang gagawin niya sa'yo. Pagka-rebound niya doon, takbo ka na dito. Basta pag tumira yung kalaban, una ka na. Box out ka. Yung sa rebound, ha? Go. 10. Yan to. Kasi di ba, umuuna si JM ng sundot. Pag ikot niyan, sa'yo yan. Sundot mo na yun. Dodoble mo. Kung saan si JM sumundot, pag umiikot yan, sa'yo yun. Aantay mo lang si JM na sumundot. Nasa likod ka lang dapat. Pang double team.
And here comes the third quarter. Here's number 6, 5. 15-0, fires. 3 points for Wally. From the stand of Sasha. Pass to Jen. Fake. And this one missile. Jersey number 32.
10!
First personal foul.
Tignan mo,
First team
pag
foul.
binalik sa'yo ni JM at lumuwag yung na, atakin mo. Ha?
First row, Newwood. Second row, no good. Second jersey number 4, pass to Tomali. Jersey number 23. Second jersey number 23. There's a hustle defense. Second Saklolo. Steal again. Here comes Justine Anastasio. There's a Rolls-Royce Rook. Jersey number 23. Pass here. Here comes the court, jersey number 6, Ashley. First whistle, foul jersey number 32, second personal foul, second team foul. Here to some action. First row, no good. Second row, no good. Second jersey number 4. Zach Lolo. And there's a foul.
Depensa, depensa.
Let Justine first, second personal foul, first team foul, here comes Justine. Justine Anastacio, 2 points. Jersey number 5, warning for delaying the game.
Huwag na hawakan, huwag mo na hawakan.
Here comes calling jersey number 23. Pass via L, jersey number 32, bars.
Tin!
Here comes Ashley. Here comes Ashley. Jersey number 6, pass to Justine Anastasia. 15 to shoot. Foul, and there's a whistle from jersey number 4. Jersey number 4 is jersey number 4 is second personal foul, 13 foul. Second row, basket from Justine Anastasia. Here comes Kawali, pass to jersey number 26, Zach Lolo. We have no good. Here comes Zach Lolo again. Wala pa rin. Here's here. Outlet pass to Justine. Lacing up. 2 points from Justine Anastasia. Calling. Go for it. Walking, passing to Lolo, fires. Fires from Galvan, no good, here comes Lolo again. And there's a foul. Justine Anastasia's third personal foul, second team foul.
In!
Our score is 7-33, people. Rose basket. From the senior section. Pass to Ashley. Foul basket from Ashley. Foul jersey number 4. 13 foul. Third personal foul. 14 foul. Warning for penalty. Time remaining 7 minutes and 16 seconds. Hero with same ball from Knox.
Madam. Oras, madam.
Time remaining 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Here's number 5, Bagawan Bola. Pass to Justine, big pass. Here's the Queen. Here's the number 6, Mars. No good on Saklolo. He's in a 2 points. (37-29) in favor of DS. Justine, 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. There's 6 minutes and 20 seconds. We got the jersey number 23. Pass to Saklo, fake, fires from downtown. Push up. Here comes Ashley. Ashley, listen up. 2 points from Ashley. 6 minutes, time remaining. 31-37, favor of DS. Yeah. Ashley, pass to Justine.
Talikod!
Justine. 15 to shoot. Comes Jen. 15. 10 to shoot. Here comes Corrali. Yeah. No good. Silva Justine and Sasha. Silva by Corrali. And the crowd sounds to 15 to shoot, 1 minute. Here comes the spin and a special 2 points. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Here comes Corrali again. Corrali in a goal. That's the best of Here comes push number 4 against Ashley. Here comes Ashley. Gustong bumawi. Wasting up. 2 points for Ashley. Here's the number 6. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Here comes Corrali. Passes up the wall. Bates. Again, still by Ashley. Here comes Ashley again. Here's the number 6. Wasting up. 2 points.
Jen! Jen! Stay in front lang! Stay in front!
15 seconds.
Hyman!
37-39, Purple Music, let's go again. Corrali, last position on the floor. 10 to shoot. Ready for substitution, position on the floor. 2 points, given up from position on the floor. There comes Justine and Special. Here comes Justine and Special. Back to Ashley. Back to the 15 to shoot. Here comes the Ashley. Fires. No good. Ready for substitution. Here comes the senior special. Fires from downtown. No good. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Here comes Corrali. Here comes Ashley. Pass to Jen. Jen. Oh, here comes Jen. Let the pass from Justine. Justine Anastasio, good ball. Justine again, there's a Lisa with jersey number 32. Subdivision. Jersey number 32 is
Kaya pa, kaya pa?
third personal foul. Penalty. Penalty.
Si Ashley, pasok mo rin.
Ha? Kunin mo. Chab, chab. 13. 13. Pwede mo sabi? Third. rebound ha, tulong sa rebound.
Dalawang bar pa lang to.
Ano?
Turn 41. Dalawa na mga ng BS.
Wala doon, wala doon.
Mouse breaker.
Madam, oras.
Last 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Para sa kaming third quarter. Jocelyn gagawa ng play. Jocelyn. 15 to shoot. Jocelyn sa 3 seconds. Kahit BS ball.
Maki! Titignan mo yung guhit kung nasa loob ka pa o nasa labas ka, ha?
Beltran pasok. Ako ka kay number si Ashley. Ayun, 2 points. On 41 na. Didikit na ang laban. Dumidikit na. Beltran. Gagawa at babawi. Beltran. Win! Beltran. Pasok. Number 6. Wala. Ayun na. Nakahuli. 2 points. Ace to the Justin babawi na play. Justin 15 to shoot. Paso Ashley. Paso Justin na yun. Justin kulalaksak na Gas. Wala na huli. Sino nakuha? Ni Ace. Ace paso number 6. Pula again. Goal.
Yan!
30 more. Sige po. Last 2 minutes and 3 seconds sa ating third quarter. BS ball. Beltran magbababa. Beltran. Pinasa kay Ace. Ace with a jumper. Malakas sa huli. Number 6. Mavs ball. Last 1 minute and 53 seconds sa ating third quarter.
One bar na lang, Mark.
41-43. Lamang na PS na dalawa. Justin. Naabaw ni Beltran. Foul ng JN. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Lamang ang DS ng dalawa. Beltran. Paso. Saklolo. Sasalaksak. Saklolo lilipat. 2 points. Ayan na. Babawi si Guya. Number 6. USA. Number 6 sasalaksak. Wala na ko ni. Sa kanya pa rin lumapit. Paso. 10 to shoot. Justin for 3. Bang! 2 points para kay Justin. Beltran babawi. Paso sa Lolo for 3. Wala na uli. 24. Paso Justin. Justin. Sasalaksak. Huli ka kay Beltran. Paso pa ng dalawang merkado. Nagaw ni number 6. Paso. Justin. Easy 2 points. Last 45 seconds. Beltran. Babawi. Beltran. Beltran. 46-45 lamang ng isa ang Mavs. JM for 3. Wala na ko ni Justin. Wait lang daw. Pero kaya niya for 3. Wala na ko ni number 6. Last 25 seconds. Meron ka shot lock. Beltran babawi. Pass to Ace pinapit again. With the 2. Wala na ko ni number 6.
Kita travel eh!
Shot lock. Pass to Justin. And the shoot. Wala na ko ni 27. Beltran. 5 seconds. Ace passes sa Lolo. Ace.
Alam ko! Kanina pa yun eh!
Kanina,
Oh,
step tapos natira naman niya.
hindi, nandito eh.
Opo, natira niya.
Kita rep eh. One step eh.
Ayun yung traffic, yung last session traffic.
Akala ko nga, hindi pa rin tatawagan eh.
Sinabi ko na nga eh.
Hindi, tawag niya Paul eh. Oh.
Nagtatawa siya pa, tapos tinira niya. Pero yung kanina,
Hindi, parehas yung reaction dito eh. Pero okay lang yun, okay lang. Okay lang.
parang
Last possession ng BS.
Tin! Pag may libre, sabi ko, di ba, pasa na. Kasi nasasayang eh. Ang dami mong error sa ganun eh. Mag-focus ka muna para hindi ka mapagod. Pumasa ka. Ha? Saka mo atikihin. Sayang yung libre eh. Kasi-
18. Tsaka dito ka lang nakatingin sa kanan eh.
Mm.
Yung kaliwa, libreng-libre.
Lagi si JM libre eh.
Si DM eh.
Huwag ka pumasa.
Bumababa ka, nakatingin ka na sa...
Importante, magtiwala ka sa kakampi mo. Ha? Tiwala ka.
Bawi ka, bawi.
Start of the fourth and final quarter. 46-45 lamang ng isang team up.
Kaya pa, Em. Kaya pa.
O Mags pa rin.
Em, kaya pa.
Ang lamang. Maxwell for the start of the fourth and final quarter. Makakabawi ba ang BS o Mavs pa rin ang lamang? Pass to JM. JM dito sa laksak with the counter. 2 points. Bumatali na si JM. Ace, pass to Bautista. Bautista. Number 7, Hollywood. Third personal foul, first team foul.
Kapila ka. JM dito. Em, dito ka.
Ashley, Hidayesnik. Ashley, Hidayesnik dito. Side step mo lang. Nawan mo pa rin. Side pa rin. Pass to JM sa labas. 4-3. Short na uli. Number 7, pass to Bautista. Bautista. No, JM. 2 versus 1. JM, pinasakay number 6. Foul. Number 5.
Ilan ba?
45-46 na.
Nakashoot si JM. Nakashoot si JM. Galing 46. Okay lang yan. Hindi, wala rin. Ano, nakashoot pa isa. Nakashoot pa.
Wala. Nahuli 24. Nagagawa sa ilalim. Foul. Down sa Rio Park. Game ball. Third personal foul. 13 foul. 15 shot clock sa ating. Ashley, ganda ng pagkasama ng everyone. Most foul ulit.
basket count.
Basket pa.
Jersey number 5,
Jersey number 5.
hold,
Hold.
una siya.
1 shot. Warning for graduate number 5. Warning and warning for penalty. I think warning for graduate number 5 and warning for penalty. Wala ang bonus na warning ace. Nakuha ni 24. Nakuha ni ace again. Ace. Ace paso number 7. Number 7 paso number 3. Number 3. With a Kobe. Ganda ng tiro. Ganda rin. JM pass to Justin. 47-51 lamang pa rin ng team Mavs. Foul. Musa ulit. Number 7. Warning for grabbing and penalty. Penalty. Number 7, running for graduate. Pasok ang una. Ace. Ace, passing number 3. Number 3, sa baba, number 3 again. Wow! Wala na ulit, number 6. Passing Justin, libre. Justin! Ayun! Signature move ni Mary Justin. Wala! Pero save pa rin. Tanda lang si Idol. Nasaktan mga Jerry. Si Mami Justin. 8, paso number 7. Paso 8 sa Justin, galing na, babawi. Justin, gagawa with the dribbling. Justin, oh! Time to shoot. JM, wala na uli. Number 3, pass to Bautista. Bautista, yun ang layup. Wala na uli. Number 34, pass to Justin. 3 versus 1. Justin, pass to JM. Ganda ng pasa kay JM. Dari po. Number 3, pass to Bautista. First to shoot, 8 for 3. Right now, Justin. Justin, kaya naman. Justin, lilipat ulit. Justin. Oh! Nagpapogi pa, sir. Bautista. 58-49 naman siya mag-iyak mo. Lawari number 3. Number 3. Sasasap number 3. Ayun nilayap. Maxwell. Last 6 minutes and 56 seconds at 14 final quarter. Justin. Gagawa na naman. Ready for subject. Justin. 15 to shoot. Justin with the hesitate. Justin with the jumper. 2 points. Ready for subject. Bautista. Pass to number 3 for 3. Bang! 2 points. JM. 15 to shoot. JM, Sanzosa. JM, pass to number 5. 2 points. Ready for subject. 4. 15 to shoot. 6 to go. 52 ang ating score. Tatlo palabangan ng bag. Number 3 ulit. 10 to shoot. 3 seconds. Subject. Pasok na. Papasok. Lalabas na lalabas. Last 5 minutes and 51 seconds sa ating fourth and final quarter. 52-62 sa mga kalamangan ng Team Mavs. Justin uli. Justin sasaksak na naman nabitawan. Pass to Jay. Nabitapay. Traveling. Number 7. Pass to Carter. Nakuha ni 45. Back with the 8. Counter for the Ace. Foul number 24. Third personal foul, first team foul. Ready for subject. Wala na ulit Ashi. Paso. Justin. Justin. Oh! Justin. Sa kanya na naman. Paso. Number 5. 15 to shoot. Traveling na naman. Number 11. 15 to shoot. Yael, pass number 11. 10 to shoot. Agawi number 5. Number 5. Uy! Number 5 pass to number 24. 82 points. Renovers number 11. 11 kasalaksak. Pass to 8. 15 to shoot. 8 pass to 45 for 3. Bang! 3 points para number 45. Justin. Babawi. Justin. Pass to number 6. Number 6 kasalaksak. Uy, ganda na move. Foul. Number 24. First personal foul penalty. Wala ang una. 57-64, pito ang kalamangan ng Team Mavs. Pasok ang pangalawa. Isa lang para sa dalawa. Para kay number 6. Number 11. Paso sa Klolo. Sa Klolo, gagawa na sa Klolo. Nagibaan na wala. Mavs ball. Justin. You will hesitate with the try, with the layup. Ganto nun. Number 11, pass to sa Klolo. Sa Klolo with the side step. Wala ang nauli na bapag. Patatalabo rin. Last 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Sampo ang kalamangan Mavs. Wala ang nauli, 24. Pass to number 6, pass to Justin. Justin, sa kanya naman. Justin. With a 3. Wala na huli, number 6 again. Pass to JM. JM, drive. JM, pass to Justin. 2 points. Wala na huli, number 6 again. Justin. Oh, with hesitate. Justin got 15 to shoot. Justin pass to number 6. Oh, with a side step. 2 points para sa kanya. Number 11, Carter, pass to Yael. Nakagawa ni 24. Pass to Justin. 3 versus 2, Justin. Pass to 24, ganda. Foul. 45. First personal foul penalty.
71.
Tanong ng tanong kasi parang hindi dapat
Oras.
2 minutes, 58 seconds. Pumasok pa yung una?
Isa pa daw. Reserve timeout para sa Mavs. 24, wala, nakuha ni number 6. Pass to Justin. 10 to shoot. Uli ka! Sa kanya pa rin. 5 to shoot. Justin for 3. Wala, nakuha ni Saklolo. Saklolo, paso, Carter, paso Yael. Ugot. Loring. Justin, pass to number 6. Number 6, pass to number 5. Wala, short no ni number 45. 45, pass to Saclono, Anthony 24. Pass to number 6, easy 2 points. Last 2 minutes and 15 seconds, Kati. Fourth and final quarter. Foul. Timeout, Mavs.
Kumagana pa yung lapel mo.
Bola nyo! Bola nyo! Isang and one. Depensa!
Kawaling, pasalasa, Kawaling, wala, sakit pa rin, 15 to shoot, last 2 minutes, 10 to shoot, Kawaling, wala, Kawaling, DS for the leader, Kawaling 13, pass to number 24, ay, pass to number 13, 15 to shoot. 13. Nakuha kay number 3. Nakuha kay number 13. 13. Pass to Kawali. 15 to shoot. Kawali, pass to foul.
7.
Number 7.
Hold. DS.
First personal foul, 13 foul. Last 1 minute and 22 seconds having fourth and final quarter. Kawali, 2 points. 21 pass to 13, pass to 21. 21 pass to 13, pass to 21. Kawali number 3. Kawali again, 2 points. Dosen, Kalaman. Number 61-73. Timeout, Mavs. Last 59 seconds.
Sabi ko, focus kayo. 12 na lang.
Wala.
Pwede tayo matalo dahil sa inyo. Kaya focus ko. Ha? Kung ano yung mga training natin na dribbling doon sa inyo, gawin nyo. Focus, walang kakabahan. Pwede ka tumanggap. One-sided yung papasahan. Wala ka nito, ha? Huwag kakabahan. Ha? Buong loob. Kaya niyan. Let's go. Oh. Subukan mo magdala. Sige, dito na.
One more time, throw in. 24 seconds tayo.
Kita, dyan ka sa gitna.
Bigay ng DS, Kawali. Foul. Number 7.
Sab.
7. Pasok ang papasok, lalabas. Second personal foul, warning for penalty.
Ayos lang yan.
Pasok pangalawang Kawali. Last 15 seconds. Justin with a jumper. Wala, Kawali. 21. Pinasa. DS ball.
Pag tawid mo, ubusin mo na yung oras. Wag mo nang atakehin. Sa kabila dito, Ten. Baba.
Kawali. Last 30 seconds per magdang shot clock. Kawali Tazarasa. Kawali Mitrela. 2 points. 25 seconds. No shot clock. 20 seconds. Harvey, no shot clock na tayo. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Justin. 5 seconds. Joel. And the football game.
Kamay.
Official score 64-73. Panalo ang Mavs. Penal basketball.
Ikaw talaga, papat. Nice one.
Best player, Justin Alessandro.
Palakpakan muna natin sa sarili natin. Good boys! Good job! Good boys! Aperin muna yung bawat isa. First win ha, first win! Nice one! So guys, makinig.